Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 3. This is Section 3.6, Problem 3. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 1/4 or a 1/4. So to convert any fraction to a decimal, you turn it into a division problem. So I will write the division symbol. And the numerator goes under the division symbol. The denominator will go in front of it. So I have 4 divides into 1. So 1 is just simply not big enough for 4 to divide into. So what you have to do, pretend it's a 10. You write it as 1.0, but you just kind of pretend the decimal is not there. You bring it straight up into where the answer is going to be. So 4 divides into 10 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now it hasn't gone in evenly. What you can do is just create another 0 after the previous one you put in. 1 is the same as 1.0 is still the same as 1.00. Now that 0 we just put in can come straight down. Now you're going to divide 4 into 20. 4 goes into 20 evenly 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Remainder is 0. So now 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25. Some people like to write a 0 in front, 0.25, or just 0.25 if you don't put the 0 in front, that's okay.